In this video let's see about 11 best organic fertilizers you would have never known. Here are my recommendations for the best natural, organic fertilizers to boost your garden's production and build soil health. This chart summarizes the NPK ratio and the benefits of most of these soil-boosting amendments. Kindly consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for more such useful information. 1. Alfalfa meal provides many nutritional benefits for plant use and soil organisms. One very important ingredient is triacantanol, a powerful plant growth regulator. Alfalfa is very high in vitamins, plus NPK, calcium, magnesium, and other valuable minerals, sugars and starches, proteins, fiber, and 16 amino acids. Use at 10 to 20 pounds per 1,000 square feet. 2. Bat guano is a natural all-purpose organic fertilizer containing nitrogen and lots of trace elements. It has natural fungicidal qualities and almost no chance of being contaminated with pesticides or chemicals. Best to apply once or twice during the growing season. Be careful not to overuse, because it contains up to 10% nitrogen. 3. Blood meal is an organic source of nitrogen and phosphorus. Expensive, but good to mix with cottonseed meal. 4. Bone meal is a source of calcium and phosphorus recommended for bulbs, tomatoes, and other vegetables. Rock phosphate is better and cheaper. 5. Chelators are organic compounds with attached inorganic metal molecules, which are more available for plant use. Chelated iron and other chelated nutrients are used when a direct dose of a particular nutrient is needed to quickly solve a deficiency. Compost, humus, humic acid, and microorganisms have natural chelating properties. 6. Corn gluten meal is a natural weed and feed fertilizer. Broadcast in spring to prevent crabgrass and other annual weeds. For cool season or winter weeds. Broadcast again in fall at 15 to 20 pounds per 1,000 square feet for the control of henbit, dandelions, annual bluegrass, and more. Make sure the product you buy contains 60% protein. 7. Cornmeal functions as natural fungal disease control when used on soil or in bed preparation. Apply at 10 to 20 pounds per 1,000 square feet to prevent damping off and leaf spot diseases. 8. Earthworm castings are high in bacteria, calcium, iron, magnesium, sulfur, and NPK, and have more than 60 trace minerals. They're an excellent ingredient in potting soil, in flats when germinating seeds, and to toss into planting holes. They're gentle, sweet-smelling, and clean. 9. Fish hydrolysate, liquid fish. Use this concentrated liquid fish fertilizer directly in the soil or as a foliar feed. It's reportedly an effective insecticide, and it's a good all-purpose spray when mixed with liquid kelp. It has an odor for about 24 hours. Fish emulsion is no longer recommended because of the processing method. 10. Fish meal is excellent for all plants, but usually expensive and also stinky. 11. Granite sand is sand-like residue from granite quarry or natural deposits. It's a great way to add minerals to planting beds. It contains potash and many trace minerals.